Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holder? This is live price prediction of Zilliqa. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you every single day, every hour. Okay, so just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. Okay, guys. So Zilliqa is going up. Unbelievable good jumping. You can see here the Zilliqa growing up. You can see here this is absolutely goes up. 0.88% goes up. Absolutely good. And if you can see here every channel, you can see here the price is going up. So this is a good. You can see here. So let's take out the chart of Zilliqa. It's absolutely gone good. I hope this is absolutely big changes. You can see here this is the chart of all time. You can see here Zilliqa is going up this time, and those days Zilliqa make records because you can check here this is gone off a very high speed. This is absolutely nice speed, but some days, some months later, Zilliqa goes down, and everyone just goes to sell Zilliqa. But in those days, Zilliqa holders are very happy because Zilliqa is going up day by day. So this is a good news for holders of Zilliqa. I think just buy Zilliqa coin because the future of Zilliqa is so bright. I see the future of Zilliqa. So what your opinion? Zilliqa future has gone bright or Zilliqa is gone die? What your opinion? Please share it, okay, in a comment box. Okay, guys, so this is the graph of all time. If we check it out, the last 1 day graph, let's see the last 1 day graph to go, then decide it to this is selling time or this is buying time. Okay, so you just click on the subscribe button for latest update. Okay, oh, let's see the last 1 day result. You can check here the chart of last 1 day as not bad. You can see here not a very big dump and not a very big jump, but this you can see here this is absolutely a good this time you can see here the point is absolutely going upwards. So this is absolutely good jump, but no you can see here the here is the jump here a dump, but not a bad dump. You can see here, but again start a jump. So this is absolutely gone good. So this is absolutely going upward, and day by day absolutely this is a good profit coin. So just buy Zilliqa coin and earn money more and more. So absolutely this is good. Zilliqa price is increased day by day, and I see that I'm also holder of Zilliqa. I just buy 100 coin of Zilliqa. What your opinion? To I buy more or I sell it? What your opinion? Please comment. Okay, so thanks for watching. Just subscribe for latest update and see you next time.